This is perfect if you want to do Facebook Live. And if you want to throw your iPad on here and you want to record, and at least you'll have a stand that could be used for Facebook Live. Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and I have something new for 2020 from Nuvending. This happens to be a cell phone iPad stand. You can also use it for your microphone, pretty much anything. It's like not a selfie stick, but you can definitely use it to make selfies with if you wanted some sort of a stand. It's relatively lightweight. It can go from 28 inches to 68 inches. I'm going to set it up right here in front of you as quickly as I can. I will have a link in the description below to purchase this, and it comes with a nice carrying case as well, bag I should say. You can use a microphone on it. It has different threads, so if you want to use the thread that's included on the base, you may do so. And then you can use it for a microphone stand, and it can go higher than this. It goes way high like that, above the screen. It also offers a gooseneck and a ball on the tip here. You have iPad holder to hold your iPad. You have a cell phone holder to hold your cell phone, so it would go in like so on it. Okay, it has a nice clamp. It also offers an additional, if you want to use it, there's another ball mount. This is for a camera, and then you can also screw this to the top of this and mount a camera or a light. And this is on a ball. This is on a ball joint, so I can adjust my light in any direction I want. And then voila! If you have a camera and you wanted to mount the camera on top here, it's the same thread for the camera. It's a great product. I'll have a link in the description below to purchase this. I believe it's relatively inexpensive. I'll have close-up shots of all these doodads. It's made really well, and it's made by Nuvending. You can't beat it. I love the carrying case. Say for argument's sake, you want to do it for a cell phone, so we'll do that real quick for you. All right, so now I'm recording using this at the same time so you can understand how this would work. But I'm not staring directly at it like I am now. I'm staring directly at it, but I'm doing the front-facing camera, so it's going to be a lower resolution than the one here, but you get the drift. Or, instead of doing the front-facing camera, this is a must-have product, folks. Must-have product. This is great for this purpose, using your cell phone to record yourself. This is great stuff. This product is amazing. I'll have a link in the description below. It will get the 5-star JoeteckTips rating. I think this is a must-have product. You know, if you're sitting down, you want to have a front shot, this is like a really, really great product. Right? And it's made by Nuvending, and Nuvending makes some really good stuff, and this is one of it. So guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.